Greetings everyone, welcome back to the channel. Into this video we are going to see and learn how we can create forms using Microsoft Access. Yes, using this database management system. This is the data given to us: the student name, the age, the fees balance, the class, and then the parents' names together along with the location. Yes, you have been given this data here. Now what happens? Simply I shall move to this ribbon under the create tab. Okay, we create the tab, and we're looking at the form. Under forms, we have the form design, the blank form, the form wizard, the navigation, more forms, and so many. Okay, we can simply come and use the more forms. Okay, everything's here. Now for this video, let's try to use the form wizard. So we shall click on the form wizard, and everything is going to be extracted from the table called fees defaulters. And we have these fields, okay, the student name, the age, and everything down into the row. We shall have everything. Okay, we click the next. We are using the tabular. Okay, then we click next. We can simply name our form from here. Okay, this is the fees defaulters form. As simple as that, and we are trying to modify it first to have some few changes along it. Okay, now what happens here, we are going to try to have a few adjustments. Okay, now this is our title, and this title here, okay, we can try to move it. Okay, we can try to move it at this level. Okay, yes, at that level, and moving along. Okay, at this we can still try to edit up this. Okay, we change the font. We may use timeline, we may bold. Okay, we give it a color. We give this that red background. Okay, it is cool. We have the edge here. This edge has been distracted like that, so simply let's delete out this. We shall add it up later. We make up this so first. Okay, try to edit around this information. Let's try to adjust this to that level. We push up now the art somewhere here, meaning that this has to still be aligned. Okay, as we push the edge around that level. Okay, however, we shall keep this information board. Okay, yes, we are keeping this information board, something like, yes. Now let's try to align it so fast as well. This is the class. We try to bring down the class somewhere here. We move it to this level. Okay. This is timeline. Let's not forget the font. We maintain the font as well. And this is the fees balance. Try to align it with, let's see, heading up. This is the class. Okay. Maintain the font. And of course this is okay. And this is the parent name. This is the parent name. Keeping it as well, just like the rest. And couldn't align it. So lastly, we have the location, and you can try to move the location to this level, and something of the kind. We centerline this information. Try to centerline everything here. We are trying to centerline everything together with this up. Okay, try to align this around there. I'm moving this, okay. The class, I think that is okay. Oh yes, let's not forget the title up here, okay. We should not forget the title. I said we shall use this, okay, this label, the capital A and the small a under the controls. Then we shall simply come and draft our title here. Now we're dealing with forms, okay. We talk about a form showing fees defaulters, right? Okay, form showing fees defaulters, and with that, okay, yes, with that you can simply go ahead to format this. We can keep it that blue, we give it a white, we bold, we center line it. Of course, it is very important to increase the font size to around 20, and we keep the font to Tahoma, okay, something like, okay. Then we try to bring this, okay, something like, then we push it 18, the font. Yes, it is now very clear and very clear. You can still go ahead to include, I think this is very okay, everything is there, okay. Yes, everything is there. Yes, this is what we wanted, okay. Now with this, and we shall now try to go to the view, okay, then the form view. So this is how this form will beautifully look like, okay. This is how it is really going to look like, and everyone is there, okay. Yes, from the first student, their age, the fees balance, the class, the parent name, and the location. So this is how we can create a simple form, yes, using the form wizard. However, we had various tabs that we could use, but the beautiful way and the easiest way of making it up is using this form wizard, okay. Yes, this helps us to customize all the forms, and it really looks so beautiful as you see it. So thank you for watching. Till we meet again in the next video, stay blessed.